Welcome friends. As you know, 2017 CSIR-NET Life Sciences is over June, and 2017 CSIR-NET Life Sciences December is coming up. So I think this is the proper time to start your preparation. In this video, I am making for those who who actually request me to guide them for the December 2017. I got many requests for them. So obviously, I think it will be great for them, and obviously I will guide them through my YouTube channel. You know. So in this video, I will talk some little bit about your preparation and kind of books you have to follow for better result actually. So for CSIR-NET, at first you have to divide the time to study actually. When you have most concentration level actually, sometimes some study in nights, whole night actually, some studying drawn in morning session. You have to choose your concentration time, and you have to study that time fully, and divide your syllabus. Look up your syllabus and divide your syllabus for easy time to be. The CSIR-NET syllabus is very huge, you know already. So you have to study it in a proper way that can cover the total syllabus in 6 months. Okay, and you have to practice properly. Question answer pattern. You also notice that group C questions that are analytical actually. You have to practice for that. When you have practice for that, you already prepare for group B questions, I think. So the books you have to follow. Generally, I will talk something about that. That is for biochemistry. This is the chapter. Most one fear that, but this is the most easiest chapter, I think. You can understand very well this chapter if you read properly, and this is the interesting one actually. So for biochemistry, Lellinger Cox, the best one. Okay. Otherwise, you can follow White. This is also good. And for genetics, you have to follow I genetics, that's Russell, and the other one is Snustad-Simmons genetics. This is the one of the best book I have seen for CSIR-NET preparation. And for cell biology, you have to follow the Benjamin Lewis Gene 9. There are many kind of series, 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I think 9 is the best one. You can follow other. And ecology is the main important here. So I think ecology will be better if you understand from the Google. I know this is a new time. You can say that which books is important for this. You can study it from any book, NCERT books. But ecology graphs, if you want to practice, Google will be the best, I think, because it have greater references on that purposes for the exam. And biotechnology BDC, I will prefer for that. Otherwise, you can follow any other books. Immunology, obviously QB, but it is not possible to study total immunology syllabus from the cube. So you have to follow some reference books like Mukherjee or like that. Developmental biology is one of the important chapter. You have to follow for that. CSIR-NET. You can get minimum 6 to 7 questions for CSIR-NET in this chapter, from this chapter. So developmental biology you can study from Gilbert, but it is huge to prepare for that. So you can use some reference books. Terminologies are important from this topic for group B questions, and obviously in group C questions, because they are matching type of questions, you have to solve them. Okay, so deep knowledge, actually the basic knowledge is important for developmental biology to follow the questions. And obviously technology, biotic, I said previously that medicine is important, but instrumentation is one of the important topic. You can follow it from many books, but it will be better you can learn from the Williams. Okay, it is the best book I think for the instrumentation. And the normal plants, classification of plants and example of plants, and same as animals, kind of animals, type of animals, actually groups, kingdom, phylum. That is the important one actually. This topic you can get easy questions, okay, and you have to follow from that. So to MSc from the zoology, or MSc from the biotechnology, MSc from the life science, or like that, MSc from the botany, you all can follow this chapter, okay, from animal kingdom and plant kingdom. Easily topic, you can just follow the general principles and some examples, and kingdom phyla classification just overlook primary. Okay, so I will discuss my next video. Actually I will start my teaching from the next video, and I will start from the chemical bonding. At first I will start from the atoms, then chemical bonding, that biochemistry will be easier to you. Okay, so thank you, be relaxed and start for the preparation. Okay.